younger then. Take me back to when I found my heart and broke it here.
Made friends and lost them through the years. And I've not seen the roaring fields in so long. I know I've grown, and I can't wait to go home.
I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel, and it's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. 15 years old and smoking Advil cigarettes.
Running from the law through the backfields and getting drunk with my friends. Had my first kiss on a Friday night. I don't reckon I did it right.
I was younger then. Take me back to when. One friend left to sell clothes. One works down by the coast.
One had 2 kids but lives alone. One's brother overdosed.
One's already on his second wife. One's just barely getting by. But these people raise me and I can't wait to go home.